Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fella FisuTara and PM 2441214 from Accounting class. In this video, I will explain a topic titled Theory of Production Cost. This video made to fulfill the experiment for the Introduction to Microeconomic course taught by Miss Tirta Kencana SA M.S.Ak AKT. So enjoy for watching. Production cost refers to the expense that producer incurred to create goods and service. Understanding production cost is important that producer to set the right selling price, maximize profit, and make better decisions in running their business. Let's dive deeper into the types of production costs and how this theory. What are production costs? Production costs are all the expense that producer pay to produce goods or service. These costs include raw material, labor, and other costs required in the production process. Example of production costs: raw material. For example, the cost of buying raw material like wood, steel, or other input. Labor, wages for workers involved in production. Fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs like rent and variable costs like raw material purchase depending on the amount of production. Type of production costs. Fixed costs. Fixed costs are expense that do not change regardless of how many goods are produced. Example of fixed costs include factory rent, manager salaries, and insurance. Variable costs. Variable costs are expense that change depending on the amount of good product. For example, raw material costs, electricity used to run machines, and wages paid to production workers are variable costs. Total costs. Total costs are the sum or fixed and variable costs that a producer pays to produce goods. Average cost. Average cost is the total cost divided by the number of good products. This shows how much is cost to produce one unit of a product. The function of production cost. The production cost function shows the relationship between the quantity of good product and the total incurred. This is important to understand whether a business is profitable or not. Example, if the total cost of producing 100 units is $500 and the total cost of producing 200 units is $900, the producer can calculate the cost per unit to see if producing more goods is more efficient or more expensive. The relationship between cost and output. Usually, as the number of good product increases, the total cost also increases. However, per unit cost will tend to decrease initially because economic of scale, meaning the more you produce, the more cost-effective production becomes. Economic of scale. When the quantity of production increases, the cost per unit tends to go down because resources are used more efficiently. Marginal cost. Marginal cost is the additional cost incurred to produce one more unit of a good. This is important for deciding if producing more goods will be profitable or if it will burden production costs. For example, if the total cost of producing 100 units is $500 and the total cost of producing 101 units is $505, the marginal cost to produce the 101 stomp unit is $5. Production cost curve. The production cost curve shows the relationship between the number of good product and the cost incurred. In the short term, average cost decreases as production increases, but after a certain point, average cost will begin to rise. Total cost curve. So, the total cost incurred for producing different quantities of output. Marginal cost curve. So, the additional cost of producing one more unit. Production efficiency. Production efficiency occurs when goods or services are produced at the lowest lowest possible cost without reducing their quality. Producers aim for efficiency by minimizing cost and maximizing output. Scale efficiency happens when average cost decreases as the quantity of good product increases. Technical efficiency occurs when producers use the best technology to produce goods at the lowest cost. Conclusion: production costs include fixed costs, variable costs, and total costs that are paid to produce goods. Marginal costs help producers decide whether to produce more goods or not. Understanding production cost theory helps producers make efficient decisions, reduce costs, and maximize profit. Production efficiency is key to ensuring that goods are produced at the lowest cost while maintaining the best quality. Okay, that's all the material that I can convey. If there are words that are not clear or mispronounced,